Sabkerti Loka Bali. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, I, as the English teacher, will teach you structure about simple present tense. Do you know what is simple present tense? How do you use it? Okay. Every day, every time, you always speak by simple present tense. Okay. To know about simple present tense more, please look at this video.
Simple present tense to state the events that happen regularly about daily activities and facts at the present time. Adverbs of frequency that are used as the following: always, often, usually, sometimes, etc. There are two kinds of simple present tense. A nominal sentence is used to be, is, are. The pattern. First, passive form. Subject plus to be or is, are plus complement. Example, she is my friend. Richard and Luna are in the classroom. Negative form. Subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Example, she is not my friend. Richard and Luna are not in the classroom. Interrogative form. To be or am, is, are plus subject plus complement. Example, is she my friend? Are Richard and Luna in the classroom? Verbal sentence. It uses verbs in the sentence. The pattern, positive form. Subject plus verb 1 or verb plus s or verb plus es. Example, she always writes a short story. Negative form. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she does not always write a short story. Interrogative form. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus blah blah blah. Example, does she always write a short story?
That's all my explanation about simple present tense. See you next time. Goodbye.